Maybe this stream. Yes, it's live. Ooh. So yeah, the mic is noisy. Let's get it down. So let's get something on the background because I don't think you want to hear me all the time. It will be a short 30-minute stream. We'll try to get some um, maybe some live trades. Let's see. We're just gonna look for something. I'm gonna travel this week. It will be short also from holidays, from what I know. And so, what kind of music do we want to have? It's too loud, I guess. Which I have to kill it from OBS a bit. Let's see how it's. Let's see how it's hearing. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, we get some pulse now. Okay, okay, okay. So I know my buddies are waiting me to do some New York Open stream, but I will be flying today, so I will not be able to do that. So 1 second, I want to check the music. Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good. Now it's good. I can keep playing. And you're probably gonna say, "Hey man, what are you watching? I don't want music." So I'm on one of my combines. I just outline here the edge and highs and low. I'm a pretty manual guy. Okay, you have seen my stuff, so maybe I will just turn all these on, and now you can't. So let's just delete everything here. So daily. Mrs. Nasdaq. We bounce from there. Currently rejecting this daily. Just pretty funny. We are just ping ponging between these two. We have this gap here. Honestly, I'm bearish and bullish at the same time on this asset. So we said on Thursday that the fact that we are holding this midpoint here, I mean, let me, yeah, see, we really did. That was quite bullish. We gained this as an order block. I don't like the wick, to be honest. I like the body. It just helps you manage your risk a bit better. So this is a trade I was in. Okay. I did a pretty nice return on the upside. We can go through it too. So what is 9:30? Yeah, we'll go through it. Don't worry. So daily wise, I don't know. I have a mixed bag of feelings. Forex factory today. Final PMI. So, but probably I will not be. I will be landing that moment. So probably I will not trade today if I don't take any trade now. Let's see. 2nd of July. Eurosam news. Well, if you wanna see move, I think tomorrow is your day. And yeah, I think 4th of July is holiday. So this is, yes, bank holiday. So I wouldn't trade anything US related on Thursday. Non-farm payrolls on Friday. Yeah, this is some big events. Maybe don't trade at all this week will be a wise thing to do. Since, like, to be honest, from my views, or from my data, from my trades, when we have bank holidays, I don't do really well those days. It's kind of like messes up with the algorithm, or I don't know, my brain. So let's go look something here. So first things first, what is my seasonality chart? So fuck BTC at the moment, we don't care about BTC. The money in there. Let me kill my stuff. So definitely not 1 minute. July. So July on average 3%. I mean, there is some outliers here. 2022 11%. But taking it kind of with the 2022, we were coming, I guess, from some shithole from here, and we did that 11%. But something like 6 or 4% is what I will look, and what that will be. Nasdaq 21k, maybe. I'm pretty bullish still. There is some weakness signs, like this is nice sign that is still on top here. I want it to grow more, and I want this money flow to get thicker, because this is like, this is kind of funny. If the price goes up and then you see like the money comes down, this thing will come like on its knees pretty fast, if this is the case. So let's hope that money pumps like here, pumps up and continues up. That is what I look from this guy here. Weekly. Not my favorite candles. So this is a range here. Really, what I'd like to see here. So we have the weekly fair value gap with deep when we hold above. That's a strength sign. But if we are bullish this week, I would like we dump into an FP and then took the highs, or consolidate, hit and go to the highs. And then I think I have to check what Mr. DXY does. So DXY on the weekly, I mean, what is July? Yeah, July is it's a bit bearish for dollars, so probably dollar coming down, and we get this with NFP. So basically dollar during NFP, well, it already taken liquidity, maybe it sweeps this liquidity, whoop, and off we go, because these levels here, these levels there, guys, these levels are money. Or I'm just a perma bull and I only want to see things go up and to the right. So that was the weekly. We said we had this inversion here on, well, it's not inversion, was it just a CB bearish fair value gap. So we're gonna ping pong in here. Ping pong. Yeah, so until NFP I will look something in this two range, and then on Friday take. So it will probably generate liquidity here. That will be my best take. And then you want to see this getting swept and target the highs. Otherwise, if we are doing this, it will come like your friend Bart Simpson's, who will draw eyes here. And it will be a scary July. Who wants to have a scary July during holidays? I guess no one. So for today, so if this is my range today, I put my kill zones. So we have a big, we have a dealing range here and big one here. City stick. Fuck you. So do we see anything on the 1 minute, 1 hour? The only bearish thing I see is this low probability order block. Plus, if I want to play a Judas swing today, I want this to be taken. Something like this. So I wouldn't, we are above midnight. This didn't take really liquidity, or did it? Do I consider this liquidity? I don't know. Maybe it is. But ideally, if I want to play a short today, I want now But this is the tricky part. This is now we already taken Asia highs, and what we are doing basically now we are drifting until what is 2 a.m. should be soon, or we already hit. So if we gain this order block, I go short. If we gain it, however, from my thesis, of course we are in premium now. There is this high here, and there is this high here, and there is this fair value gap there, just right there, in premium, and this is in premium with inducement on the bottom. I'll be more inclined to short these than this, or if I short both, I'd do it with lower leverage on this one, because I don't really trust it. I see this as a lower probability to happen. Yes, you are above midnight, and so we hold it's like 50%. It's above 50%. Yeah. So Nasdaq short 2075, or if we gain the order block here, or any order block after we take the buy side here. So if we take the buy side here and we retrace somewhere, I mean that's your very short block tested here down, we took liquidity, we are retracing, we are now in premium. So only taking these. Scenario 1, let's draw them. 1, 2, and then we want to enter here basically and take the leg down. This is scenario 1. Scenario 2 is that this now London will expand before New York here, and then in New York you will get maybe so then you sweep London inside these two bearish PDRAs, which is higher probability to happen. Okay, make a sweep high, break the low, enter here, ride it down, which I like this one a bit more. So if I take the short from here, you would lose 3.5, not too shabby. Of course, you can put your stop loss how you like, especially if you want to, if you get this down and it's kind of confirmed, like this will be the best 5. Probably ES is pretty similar. I mean, ES is pretty different at the moment. We have in Nasdaq, we basically lost this gap here. On ES, we're still holding it. That makes ES stronger, but concerning also. Let's see. By the way, if you see in London a big pump, just try to fade it. I mean, I'm not a big oscillators guy, but it isn't bullish to me. Just keep the grass green. That's what it needs only. And if we're really bullish, we need to close above this. So what does the 4 hours say? We took that liquidity. We don't have a fair value gap here. Basically what I want to see, if we are still in a bullish scenario. How the fuck is this here? I wanna see when we come. Well, probably I'm not gonna see. This is the same like Nasdaq, but here we traded it this fair value gap. See the difference? ES has a fair value gap here. Traded in it, didn't close above yet, but also it has this here. So basically what I want to, if it's this really bullish, I want over the week to close above and hold this and continue up. We took all this trendline liquidity, and this guy says also July has to be magnificent, so I will look mostly longs. Actually, now that I see the structure, looks nice for a reversal, but now London, I will guess it will just come down and then make a higher low here. Maybe we're gonna play truly London. London Judas. So this is where people will go long here, and then this comes smashing down. Oof. On a euro. That's how you play Judas. Let's see. Palladium is roaring. So guys, there is now a Discord link downstairs in the description. Or maybe it's not, it's on my profile it seems. Let's maybe add it. But anyway, if you type this, you can see all my links. If you type this, you can find all my links, Discord, music. Not my music, but music that I like to hear. So the reason why I showed Palladium is because I did break down my trade on Palladium. I had like in last week. So I showed here my thought process, what I looked, why I took the trade, And actually the trade is here. I had to mark it in, but because it didn't fill me, but I took the trade. So maybe we should watch gold, I guess. Let's go with daily. Yeah, gold I'm still, I mean bearish is a bad term to say. July has been a mixed packet of the readers, I guess, for gold. This is not what I wanna, this is what I think it will happen. Will fade everyone during an FP year and then just come boom down. But let's see. Let's see. Weekly is coming down. Just the thing, if you so whenever again this as an order block, we did, and why I'm missing things. We did came here, but probably was not on. Yeah, it's on premium. Ideally, you wanted to come into discount. Let's see, non-copyrighted, so YouTube won't gonna spank us on them for listening music. Oh. Yeah, I'm still looking for here. But that's how the daily will take us. Daily sweep on top, like we had on the daily. And then every bearish fair value gap has been respected except this one here, because we practically close above. And you will tell me, okay, why man, why Hades you are looking this seasonality? Well, look, June tells you it's pretty fucked up bad, man. Yeah, so let's find 1st of June. Also May, like May is like the days before your period, so it's like mixed. Okay, so you get your reversal in May. June pretty, and this is now, but these are like 9 years of data, so we are living in a simulation. If you don't believe, you can find it. I tested on silver also, so this is 1 month of data. It says 1.8, let's say 2% average drawdown. Well, we were 4, but we closed probably 2. So we closed here, so 2.75. Yeah, around the average. Silver the same. Oh boy, this gold, this silver, come on baby. July can be phenomenon for, okay, that's 2020. It can be pretty good. 7%, what is 7% for? Yeah, taking out this trend and liquidity. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I would like to see a violent push from silver. But say here also, June 7, 4, 3, 2, yeah. End of May to July, okay? What it says here, 5%, 6, 3, so open to close 9%. So it was from the very bad months. You can see seasonality is pretty good. We can see February also. You can see statistics that show you what to expect if it's a bearish month or February here. To March. First of February. Maybe it's from the few Februaries that this was actually a good one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's like 30% chance almost to be a good month. And it was this year. Or no, it was last year. This year also. No, it was down. This year was down. Last year was up. Or how many years? January, February again down. See? March is 50-50s, but see, this was up. This March was up. I forgot them in the daily. That's why I was like, why am so far? So July I will expect longs mostly on silver, and we have been giving these long like from last month. Gold, what is gold? I will lean also more on the long side, but maybe I don't know, I'm so obsessed with this coming down to this area. Okay, if I ask it to come here for the sweep and go up, maybe I'm asking too much. How much is that? Like $100 drop? Well, is it like foreign to gold to? No, that's like $200. I don't think it's problem. Yeah, I can't imagine how many people went short here after this. It's gonna go to 0. I digress. Well, for now, for today, it's Monday. Already Asia fades, everyone. Well, let's say London. That's a very nice setup. If you enter above the fair value gap, we already took liquidity, target 2, beautiful equal highs here, and now I see this magic. It's not only equal highs, it's an inducement for this bearish FVG. We took both lows here and we came back in the range. I just want to look for a retracement for a long, and this is usually a nice thing when you want to short indices and want to long metals, because they usually move opposite. The problem is when they move together. So if you want to short these, you don't shorting these. Now you want to see it coming here with either leaving this as an inversion. Let me clean my screen. if you want to take this trade, we want to see a decisive candle trade below this, because this just make a order block. You see it pretty respects this yet. By the way, I don't know if I'm gonna do any late streams, like maybe I will catch some PM sessions, but maybe not, because maybe July 4th I will be trying to stream, but market will be closed. So I don't know what I'll do this week. So it will be like spontaneous, like today. Just gonna hop the gun. And by the way, guys, leave a comment if you want to see some other assets. Maybe you want to trade live cattle, which I will say why not, or the corn. Did we say that July will be green for the corn? Maybe you're an FX person, we can look on that. I trade sometimes. I hate EU. Actually, I hate both GU and EU. Is this what we left the other day? So see the magic of taking 50% profits. So we said I close this trade here. Yeah, I pretty much took the top of that. Yeah, we came, yes, somewhere here. That's what I said, yes. Or we can go to the video, so don't see I'm inventing things. I didn't even wait for the midpoint of this range. But see, the price create all this liquidity. Find a premium level somewhere here, and this is very interesting. Very interesting. These are equal highs. So this will be revisited soon, and the fact that this took all the range here, all the stops from here, we might be for a run. What I'm seeing basically on most of the indices have this behavior like this. They are just chopping between two ranges. Okay, this week we will be like this because of NFP. Next week will be CPI, I think. So let's see. What the fuck is Sunday? French president of who fucking cares? July 10th. 10-year bond, who cares? Yeah, see CPI. So I confess, CPI week is my worst trading week. NFP, I do fantastic on Mondays, maybe Tuesdays. The rest of the week I suck. So today I'm traveling, so probably I will not be able to trade, except if we can get this short here before I leave and let it ride. But this macro open now. Let's see how macro plays out, and then we close the stream. Thank you. I will watch this. So if I was taking these, so if I'm bearish here, I want macro. This is the macro open. I wanted to take London high here and come below this. Then we will go short. again, shout out to Trader Team. So that's our macro open. So you can think of these macros like it's 20 minutes period, or you can think them as power of 3. So here we had this accumulation and we want to see a manipulation. Say we are bullish, manipulation on the bottom, and then you want to enter on when you regain the range and target higher. On the distribution, but now we're gonna see we open below, we sweep on this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, and we said that if we want to short to Asia lows, we wanna see closing a decisive candle and break the low on the 5-minute. So this is now high, potential lower high. You want to take this, otherwise this is just a manipulation on this fair value gap, and we can target too. I see we already hit this buy side. Will this make sense? Not for me. I wouldn't take any long on this area. Still respecting this. And now we closed. That's for fun's sake. Let's paper trade. So we had a immediate rejection there. Maybe this is more like here. We have few things. So this is not, again, not financial advice. We're just paper trading here. We're having fun. This is beyond our thesis. We just FOMO trading here. Let's see. This is what I look here. Come to premium. Let's put another one there. touched the 50%. Random level. And it's 940. Low hanging fruit, let's target 2. So 250 should be correct. Give me the money. Give me the cash. Give me the cash. So once it hits, or once the trade is over, I'm gonna have to close. And because I have to run to the railway station and leave. Come on, don't fool me. You haven't taken me yet. So now we have this dealing range here. So where it can retrace to reject within this. This is what we want to see. And you don't have to take the top. You can take close by. Stop to be obsessed with taking the absolute high in the week. I don't care. Push, push, push. High and low here. Higher high there. But overall we want to accelerate now. This is when you are nearby liquidity, the algorithm should get pretty fast. Or otherwise you are wrong. I mean, we took this liquidity here and this. Let's see. We can only wait. Maybe that's the most funny part on trading. can be in a trade like for 20 minutes or I don't know 20 days, and then you have a massive candle that takes you either your surplus or your take profit. Those lows are very appealing not to take them. And you see it stopped here, and the classic guys will say, and found support. I'm just waiting to blow through them. Should have a bearish hidden now. Nope. It bottoms out. So on the 5-minute we said we want to take this low to take a short. So this is a low, higher high, higher low. We taken this, so this, it's a 5-minute also. It can retrace all the way up. We just put our stop what it was. Yeah, but this is really time for me to go. My train is in 20 minutes. I hope you like the stream. Give a comment, like, subscribe, and write what you want to see next. If you want to see more of this type of streams, or like my normal market reviews. Until the next one, be safe.